there are various settings you can customize in your Libby app. So at the bottom of the screen, those 3 horizontal lines you see highlighted in purple, that is your main account, your profile. So I've already tapped on that. It'll show your libraries. It'll say you are at the Palm Desert Library because that's the library that I am in the Libby app. And then this is where you can add more cards. You can manage your cards. Notifications. So when you first tap on that, it'll ask you if you'd like to allow notifications. I already said yes. And then you can customize what you would like or how you would like to be notified. Maybe I don't want to be notified when my loan is expiring. I could change that setting and turn it to red. A shelf notice is a notice within the app, and then notification, you may get a notification through your phone the way many apps do, just so kind of like a pop-up on your phone, and then your phone has different settings that you've customized or you have at a default that will handle these types of notifications that kind of pop up on your screen. It might say, oh, your book is due soon, something like that. So tapping any of these circles gives you the option to ignore, to have a notice in your shelf, which is within the app. That's that here under notices. I don't have any right now, but you see that's in the shelf, or notifications, which are notifications that are coming through your phone. Read books with, we went through there, so you can choose to read with Kindle. And if you do read through Kindle, it will, every time you borrow a book, take you to the Amazon store that you have your account set up with. And then from there, you will borrow the book through Amazon's portal, and it will automatically load to your Kindle. This is just some custom download settings. So depending on your phone storage or your data settings, if you don't have unlimited data, you might only want to download on Wi-Fi, for example. So these are things you can customize as well. There's some language settings. And most people, I think, will be using these top settings. And again, these are just more specific settings. I would say most people who aren't super into customization don't come here a lot, but these are kind of different settings hidden while scrolling. There's usually a bar on the side of the screen. If you don't want that, you can, customize that, for example. So that is your profile or account screen. Again, most of the time you're going to be using this to manage your libraries, to add new cards, because there's libraries all over the country that use Libby. So you may have a library, maybe you only come here for the winter, and you have a library at home that uses Libby. You can add them too. You can add our partner libraries, things like that. And then just notification settings, how you'd like to read the book through Kindle or Libby, things like that.